Hi guys, just a really quick video. If your trim piece is coming apart like mine on my Hyundai Elantra Touring, you can replace this really easily. It is part 86132-1Z000. I'll put it in the description. So that's for the right side or something like that. And for the left side, it's 86131-1Z000. So all you have to do is pop this thing out. Like this. It's a hard one. I got one hand. Pull it out. It doesn't really matter the clips because you're replacing it. So while you have the side off, you might want to just clean underneath there. There's a lot of dirt that gathers underneath there over the years that you probably won't be able to clean with the thing on. So to put this thing back on, start by sticking the bottom side in and then guiding the rest of it into the proper hole. You gotta make sure this clip goes under. And then you can work the rest of it all the way up. I'm not going to be able to do this with only one hand, so I'm going to have to put the camera down to do this. So you just snap this into place after you get this lined up. And it should be all good to go. Just clean up all the bits that come off. And that's how you replace the trim for the side of the windshield. Alright guys, so I was going to throw away the old trim, but I noticed that the part number on the original ones was a little bit different. So I'm going to give it to you guys in case you need to search for this one. It's 86132-2L000 and 86131-2L000. The ones I put on seem to work just fine, so I guess if you find this trim on either part number, it'll be fine. Good luck guys, see you later.